Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme 12X 5G, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to open our settings. Now here we have to head to the sounds and vibration option, and to adjust ringtone volume all we have to do is just drag this dot of the ringtone to the right or left, how we want to. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!